Braised chicken with scallion. Cut off the chicken, feet and butt. Blanch the skin with boiling water. Marinate with black soy sauce, sugar, salt, soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce. Massage evenly. Marinate for 1 hour. Cut the ginger into slices. Cut the spring onion. Stuff the spring onion. We use 2,500 milliliters Tajine to braise chicken. Place the ginger and garlic, a large bunch of spring onion, some oil. Place the marinated chicken. Small flame. Braise for 30 to 40 minutes. Fry some scallion oil. Pour it over the surface.